Welcome back to Little Rock, Barton RV and family. After we left Little Rock Central High School, we received a surprise as we turned the corner. The Capitol building was right in front of us. We couldn't pass that opportunity to view the Arkansas State Capitol. Hey y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Our numbers have been going down a little. I think it's due to the algorithm. So since we're here in Arkansas, Little Rock, and Bill Clinton, and we're listening to this kind of funky rhythm song, I'm going to stick in Bill's vice president, and maybe we could get that algorithm going. Did you get it? As I drive up to Capitol Hill, I start humming this song from my childhood past. It might kind of date me, but anyways, let's get out and explore. Wow, that's a blast from the past. Come on now, guys. You know that some of you were humming to that song. And those of you that don't know that song, well, I just feel sorry for you. We've been so busy going around to all these different places that we kind of forgot to talk about the park and why it's called Petite Jean Park. So this is actually a burial site, and the story goes like this. Petite Jean burial site is on the east side of the park. The legend says that a French noble named Chevet was granted an expedition to the New World. His fiancée was not allowed to go because they didn't let any women go on expeditions at that time. So she dressed up as a crew member and took the name Petite Jean. Chevet's expedition crossed the Atlantic and ended up in the Mississippi, then finally to the Arkansas River, which you see below. As they made their way through the Arkansas River, Petite Jean became gravely ill, and the crew discovered he was a woman. When Chevet found out the woman was his fiancée, she apologized for deception and asked to be buried on top of the mountain, and the mountain be named after her. Legend says that Petite Jean's spirit hovers over the mountain and gives the mountain a mystical enchantment. It did seem very peaceful up there, and the clouds actually cleared directly over the mountain. Okay, now on to Billie's photo shoot. At first Billie wasn't very photogenic, but as we do more videos he's starting to ham it up. We actually got an offer for Billie to model neckerchiefs for a pet company. We're rolling up to the Museum of Automobiles. They're open from 10 to 5 every single day, and it was only about a mile or two from our campsite, but for some reason we just never made it in there.